Hi, today in front of me SONY Xperia 5 Mark III, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go to the settings app, and here just go to the sound section. Now here you just will see your media volume. You can change it by swapping this dot to the left or to the right side with your finger. Your call volume, ring notification, and alarm volume. And just by the same way you can change the volumes. If you want, you can also turn on or turn off the vibration for your calls. Also, we got here our sounds. You can change the alarm, notification, and phone ringtone for the scene 1 or scene 2. Just here tap to the, for example, alarm ringtone and choose one from the available ringtones. And also, as can you see, we can add your custom alarm sound. And as can you see, we got here the changes right now. Now we'll go to the advanced options. Here you got the dial pad tones. Just to turn, if you want to turn it off, you will hear your touches. When you just touch your dial pad, you will hear the sounds. Here also we got the screen locking sounds. If we'll turn on, just where we'll lock or unlock our screen, we'll hear this sound. Also we got the turn on the charging sound and vibration. When you just charge your device, you can hear your sounds. The touch sounds also, you'll hear that. Now if I just touch to the screen, open the app, or if I'll go back, you will hear your touch sounds and also the touch vibration. By the same way, if I'll touch something, I'll feel the vibration of my screen. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment, and subscribe our channel.